Make sure that the camera lens is unobstructed. You can select either the camera or the photo booth app from your home screen. In Photo Booth, choose which of the effects menus you want to use. To take the picture, press the white button in the centre bottom of the screen. By pressing the 3 intersected circles in the bottom left-hand corner, will take you back to the menu. There you can choose one of a number of effects. Using the kaleidoscope effect, you can pinch the screen to change the effect. Any picture taken will go into the photo file. You can also use thermal imaging or effects such as twist, and once again you can use your fingers to change the effect.